Hello guys. Now this time we are taking the topic maxima and minima on closed interval. So this is a new topic at which we have a function and a closed interval, and we want to collect the maximum and minimum value of this function. So the working method is this: let fx be a function, maybe polynomial function, trigonometric function, any type, and it is defined on close interval a comma b. And right now we will use second derivative test, and we get the few values of x at which we get maximum and minimum values of function according to second derivative. So let us consider the maximum value, local maximum value of function is small m, and minimum value of function is m dash. So right now we have closed interval and the function and these two values, but which one will be the maximum value, greatest value, or least value? So the minimum value of fx of fx on closed interval ab, this will be m dash, and when we put a and b in function, so we get two more values, fa and fb. So we will collect the least value in these, and that will be the minimum value. So the minimum value is the least value in these. So you will get these values, and least value of these three will be the minimum value. And similarly, when we go for maximum value of function on closed interval ab, so we get three values again. Right now we have m, local maximum value, and fa, these are the terminal values, and fb. So on these points we will get the value of function. So right now we have these three. So maximum value of function will be the greatest value among m, fa, and fb. So this is the working method. According to this, we will get the minimum value and maximum value of the function on closed interval, right? So right now we are taking the questions. Find the maximum and minimum values of fx is 3x to the power 4 minus 8x cube plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25, and the given interval is 0 comma 3. This is a closed interval. So right now we will use second derivative test. So we have function. So right now we will get f dash x. So differentiate it. It will be 12x cube minus 24x square plus 24x minus 48. So on taking 12 as common, x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4. So according to second derivative test, we put f dash x equals to 0. So this expression 12 into x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4 right now is 0. So we factorize this, and on factorization we get x minus 2 and x square plus 2. We will use factor theorem and get the factor 2 at which this becomes 0. So x minus 2 is factor, and remaining quadratic part is x square plus 2. So right now we get the values of x. X is 2 and x is under root of minus 2, that is imaginary. So discard this, we will select this. Right now we have this value, and now we will collect the second derivative f double dash x. So on differentiating again we get 36x square minus 48x plus 24, and when we put x equals to 2, then f double dash 2 is we put this value 36 into 2 square minus 48 into 2 plus 24. So on solving this we get 72. So this is greater than 0, or you can say positive. So it shows local minima. Now at x equals to 2, we will collect the value of function. So f2 in given function 3 into 2 to the power 4 minus 8 into 2 cube plus 12 into 2 square minus 48 into 2 plus 25. So when we solve this we get minus 39, and the closed interval is we have 0 comma 3. So it is a and it is b. So we will collect the value fa, or you can say f0 at x equals to 0. So we put this value 3 into 0 to the power 4 minus 8 into 0 cube plus 12 into 0 square minus 48 into 0 plus 25. So finally we get positive 25, and the second terminal value is 3. So at x equals to 3, so there will be 3 into 3 to the power 4 minus 8 into 3 cube plus 12 into 3 square minus 48 into 3 plus 25. So on solving this we get 16. So right now we have these three values. So the maximum value will be the greatest value in these. So that will be maximum value of function. So that will be the maximum value is right now is 25. So it is 25 at x equals to 0. And minimum value of the function on closed interval, that is minimum value is minus 39. So at x equals to 2. So you get these two values. So this is the answer of working method. I think you understand very well. Find maximum or minimum value of function x plus sine 2x, and given closed interval is 0 to 2 pi, means 0 to 360 degree. So it's a complete 4 quadrants. So right now we will use second derivative test. So we have right now function x plus sine 2x. Now first we collect f dash x, that is on differentiation we get 1, and this is 2 cos 2x. Now and f double dash x will be minus 4 sine 2x. So we put f dash x is 0, means 1 plus 2 cos 2x is 0. So cos 2x is minus half, that is in second quadrant it will be 2 pi by 3, and in third quadrant it is 4 pi by 3. So it is cos 2 pi by 3 or cos 4 pi by 3. As we know, cos is negative in these two, and it is positive in first and fourth. So when you compare these or equate these, you get 2x is 2 pi by 3. So you get x is pi by 3. Or when you compare 2x with 4 pi by 3, so you get x is 8 pi by 3. We will check now the function is maximum or minima, local maximum, local minima, when we put the value x in f double dash x. So at x equals to pi by 3, f double dash pi by 3 will be minus 4 sine 2 into pi by 3. So it will be in second quadrant, sine is positive, so when you multiply with minus, so it will be negative. It means this shows local maxima. At x equals to 2 pi by 3, so f double dash 2 pi by 3 means 120 minus 4 sine 2 into 2 pi by 3, so it is 240. It is in third quadrant, this one will be negative and this is also negative, so we get positive. This shows local minima. Now we will get maximum and minimum values. So at x equals to pi by 3, we get local maxima. So x f pi by 3, when x is pi by 3, then the value of function at pi by 3 will be pi by 3 plus sine 2 pi by 3. So we get 2 pi plus 3 root 3 over 6. At x equals to 0, we get f0, so it will be 0 plus sine 0, that will be 0. At x is 2 pi, we put f 2 pi, so it is 2 pi plus sine 2 into 2 pi, that is 4 pi, this is 0, and you get 2 pi. So you have these three values and you want to collect the maximum value. So the greatest value among these will be the maximum value. So the maximum value of this is 2 pi. Maximum value of function at close interval 0 to 2 pi. So this will be the greatest value among these is 2 pi. So it will be 2 pi at x equals to 2 pi. Now for minimum value, we will collect all three values. So we get local minima at x equals to 2 pi by 3. So according to this, f second derivative value at 2 pi by 3 will be 2 pi by 3 plus sine twice of 2 pi by 3. So on solving this, we get 2 root 3, which is greater than 0. And when we collect it is positive, so f 2 pi by 3, so it is 2 pi by 3 plus sine twice of 2 pi by 3 will be, that is 4 pi minus 3 root 3 over 6. So when you place this value in this, we get to 2 root 3, that is positive greater than 0. So it is local minima, and the minimum value will be this, and f0 is 0 as we collect before, and f2 pi will be 2 pi. So for minimum value, we want the least value in these three. So the least value is 0 at x equals to 0. So this way you will collect the when you collect the maximum value, then among these values we will collect the greatest number. But in this, for minimum value, we will collect the least value. So it is 0, this one. In case this is 2 pi जो कि maximum थी, and this one it is 0, ये least है. So this is your answer.